Before you roll your eyes and think, oh great, another YouTube growth video, stick with us. This one's different.
No fluff, just solid tips, and we're throwing in some real examples from YouTube pros. Whether you're a complete newbie or just stuck at 500 subscribers, we got you.
We're going into the real strategies that'll make your channel pop.
All right, before we dive into the strategies, let's quickly cover the basics you already know you need. A niche, eye-catching thumbnails, irresistible titles, solid watch time, and clear call to actions. If you're not familiar with those, check out this video first. We know you've heard this a million times, so let's skip ahead and get to the real tips. SEO for YouTube. Here's the deal, YouTube is basically a giant search engine. In fact, it's the second largest search engine after Google.
And just like Google, YouTube ranks videos based on keywords. But guess what? Most people aren't optimizing their content for YouTube SEO. Yep, and when I say optimize, I'm talking about your titles, descriptions, and tags. You need to treat these like SEO gold. Imagine you're writing a mini blog post for each video. What are people typing in when they want to find content like yours?
Instead of expensive tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ, try using free options like Keyword Tool or Ubersuggest. Just type in your video topic and look for the best keywords to add to your title and description.
For example, if you're making a video about how to bake a cake, you can use Keyword Tool to see if people are searching more for easy cake recipes or best cake for beginners. You'll get suggestions, and it even shows you how competitive those keywords are.
And don't forget your tags. They're like bonus SEO power-ups. Cooking with Dog and Tasty, use these strategies to rank higher in search results.
Your tags, description, and titles all work together to make your video more discoverable.
Next up, playlists. I know, sounds basic, but playlists are actually a huge watch time booster. If YouTube is Netflix and your videos are the episodes, if you group them into playlists, viewers are way more likely to binge watch.
Exactly. When someone clicks on a playlist, they're more likely to stay on your channel and watch more of your content. It's like putting your viewers on a conveyor belt of your awesomeness. Channels like Linus Tech Tips do this all the time with their tech reviews. They have playlists for gaming setups, PC builds, and product reviews. And guess what? It works.
And don't forget you can optimize playlists for SEO too. So slap a keyword-rich title on that playlist and get ready to see your watch time soar.
Next chapter, end screens and cards. If you're not using end screens and cards, you're leaving a ton of growth potential on the table. It's like you're running a restaurant and sending customers home without offering dessert. Who does that?
Yeah, end screens and cards are those little pop-ups that show up at the end or during your video, leading viewers to your other videos.
You can literally guide them to your best content. So instead of just letting your video end, you're telling them, hey, don't leave yet. Here's more cool stuff for you to watch.
Exactly. Take Casey Neistat as an example. He always uses end screens to direct viewers to more of his vlogs or related content.
This keeps people on his channel longer, which means more watch time and higher chances of YouTube recommending his content.
This is an easy way to plug your most popular or related videos. If someone just watched your video on 5 tips to grow your YouTube channel, your end screen should show them another video like Best Tools for YouTube Growth. Keep them engaged and keep them clicking. Now this one's a bonus secret weapon. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers, YouTube unlocks the community tab for your channel. Think of it like your own mini social media feed where you can post polls, ask questions, and even tease upcoming videos.
The Try Guys are all over this. They constantly post behind-the-scenes photos, polls like, what video do you want next, and updates about their content. It's a great way to keep your audience engaged, even when you're not uploading videos.
And the best part? It keeps you top of mind for your audience. Plus, the more they engage with your community posts, the more likely they are to engage with your videos too.
Okay, the next one might seem small, but it's huge. Replying to comments. Seriously, when you take the time to reply, it shows your viewers you actually care. It makes them feel heard, and that connection turns casual viewers into loyal fans.
Look at Lily Singh. She's known for constantly engaging with her fans in the comments. She replies, likes comments, and even features her fans in her videos sometimes. This builds a sense of community, and people come back just for that interaction.
Plus, More comments equals better engagement metrics, and YouTube notices that. When people see that you reply to comments, they're more likely to comment themselves. So you're creating a snowball effect of engagement, which ultimately helps your video perform better.
Next strategy is collaborations. And no, you don't need to team up with PewDiePie to make this work. Collabs with smaller creators in your niche can be just as powerful. It's all about cross-pollinating audiences.
Right. Look at Yes Theory. Before they blew up, they were collaborating with all sorts of creators. It wasn't always about big names, but rather creators who shared the same vibe or audience. This kind of collaboration introduces you to a whole new set of viewers.
And it doesn't cost a thing. You're not spending money on ads, you're just trading exposure with another creator. Just make sure the collaboration makes sense for both of you. You don't want to confuse your audience.
Next one is trending topics. Here's a pro tip. Don't chase trends, but when something fits your niche, jump on it fast. When there's a trending topic in your niche, making a video about it can give you a huge spike in views.
For example, when Apple announces new products, Marques Brownlee is all over it. His channel is built on tech reviews, so it's a natural fit for him. You don't want to force it, but if there's a big event or trending topic that aligns with your content, go for it.
Tools like Google Trends can help you stay on top of what's hot. Just make sure you're acting fast. Timing is everything. A week late, and you've missed the wave. And don't forget about branding. Your banner, logo, and intro should reflect your style and niche. Look at Dude Perfect. Their branding is consistent across every platform. They're instantly recognizable.
A strong brand makes you memorable, which is essential for growth. You want people to recognize your content even before they click on it.
Finally, if you're not using YouTube Shorts yet, what are you waiting for? It's YouTube's answer to TikTok, and it's a massive opportunity to get in front of a new audience.
Even big names like Mr. Beast and Logan Paul are using Shorts to reach new viewers. It's short, snappy content, and YouTube is pushing it hard. You don't need a polished 10-minute masterpiece. Just make something fun, engaging, and under 60 seconds.
The best shorts often get picked up by YouTube's algorithm and pushed to people who aren't subscribed to you. It's a quick way to get discovered and grow your channel.
There you go. These aren't your basic upload and pray tips. These are the real deal strategies that'll actually help you level up. It's not just about posting and hoping the algorithm likes you. You gotta play it smart.
Yup, when you realize YouTube isn't just a video platform, but a mix of social media, a search engine, and a community building machine, that's when the magic happens. Think of it as a game, and it's all about strategy.
So get on it, optimize, engage, plan. And remember, don't panic. YouTube success is like growing a tree. And hey, if these tips didn't totally blow your mind, at least smash that like button and hit subscribe. We've got a ton more coming your way.
Oh, and drop a comment. Tell us what strategy you're trying or what we missed. We're all about helping you make your channel the next big thing.
All right, go out there and crush it on YouTube. Catch you in the next one.